Today we are going to show you a Flexibore installation which we carried out at the water municipality in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The Flexibore hose is attached to the pump using the stainless steel hose clamps. The 6 screws are tightly secured using an Allen key. Next, the power cable is strapped to the coupling clamps using a waterproof tape. This will ensure that the cable will not rub against the bore casing. The first lifting clamp is attached to the Flexibore hose. The crane can now be used to lift the pump into the bore. The strength of the Flexibore hose enables the pump to be lifted in this easy and simple manner. The electrical power cable is secured to the Flexibore hose. At every meter interval, the strip is lifted in order that 2 cable ties can pass through and they are pulled up tightly against the cable. This process is done in 1 meter stages and the cable is left slightly snaked in order to compensate for the slight extension in the hose. The pump therefore is lowered into the casing simply and gently. Once the first lifting clamp is resting on the bore casing, the second lifting clamp is attached 5 meters along. The process is repeated until the full 45 meters of hose has been lowered. The top coupling body has been attached to the wellhead plate or bore cap. Now the end of the Flexibore can be fitted. Note that the end of the hose needs to be cut straight and that some lubrication may be required in order to slide the hose onto the coupling tail. Once again, the clamps are tightened. The crane on the truck is finally able to lower the bore cap into position. The pump plus 45 meters of 4-inch Flexibore hose has been successfully installed in approximately 1 hour. Time to raise the glasses to another successful installation. If it's a bore, think Flexibore.